What's up, guys?
Hello.
Morning, sunshine.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Matthew dragging us out on another early morning adventure.
That's right.
I don't know where we're going. I was just told to drive this way, so this is the way I'm driving, and I'll turn when he tells me to turn, and then we'll ride when he tells us to ride, I guess.
Hopefully we got a good gravel ride today.
Good gravel ride.
Little pavement.
Yep.
So where you going, Matthews?
That ought to be quick and it's there.
It should be.
Right and left, according to left.
We're following
Well,
you.
we're following you since you know where we're going.
Just don't get too far ahead so we can't see you.
Don't kill us.
Ready to get it up,
Time 6 minutes 22 seconds. Total distance 1.0 miles. Average speed 9.4 miles per hour. Split speed 9.4 miles per hour.
Put Matthew up.
Water bottle. I don't know where the tip of it went. Need me to stop? Good.
Oh, Lordy. I think Larry dropped the chain. Yeah.
He didn't break, did he?
I don't think so. I asked him if he needed me to stop, and he said, no, keep going.
I hope there's not many more like that one.
Yeah.
It's downhill from here.
All the way back to the truck. Just on the other side of that the other day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's all down on the inside of the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, let me get up here in front and get a picture.
Distance 3.0 miles. Average speed 8.5 miles per hour. Split speed 6.5 miles per hour.
Probably not.
I think I'll put this away. Matthew, what you think of it so far?
I like it. Of course I like it.
Larry,
This is a good ride.
it's a real good ride.
Glad Matthew found it.
It's a little hillier than the other side, but we need to work on hills apparently. What do you think about it?
One thumb up.
One thumb up.
The other one resting on the other hand.
Halfway there?
Yep, a little over.
A little over half.
All right. That's a long hill. I knew I wasn't gonna make it all the way to the top, but I was gonna make it as far as I could. And then I shifted the wrong way. So, Matthew and Larry done gone. All right. I think we got about 4 miles left.
He's on Matthew.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
How far we got?
2 miles.
2 miles?
2 mile left.
How many more hills we got?
3.
I knew we had some.
Some of them are down though.
Oh, yeah, but you got to go up to get to the top to go down. So these two have ridden a little bit more than me and Brady have. We're kind of on the struggle bus, but I think we're gonna make it.
You got to now.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Do what? All right, so we're here on day 27 of our 30-day gravel ride here at Decatur.
No, man, that's mile 27 of 30.
Oh, just miles, not days. Lord. We made it home. Got some dirty, dirty bikes. Well, we made it home. We're gonna go in and rest a little while. See what Shannon's got on the clock. Thanks for going with us today, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.